Selamat pagi and hi everyone. Today I'm very happy for many reasons. Reason number one, today I'm back here in one of the nice places in ASEAN in Indonesia. Reason number two, DC has a new office here in Jakarta. Reason number three, we have a very nice special meeting with our dear customer.
Kami dari Bosch Indonesia, subsidiary dari Komatsu sejak 2017, sudah bekerjasama dengan Bosch Rexroth sejak 2018. Produk line kami crusher sudah menggunakan produk sekitar 70% dari produk kami di seluruh Indonesia menggunakan Bosch Rexroth.
Pak Juli, today we have a special day, FAT testing. We built up the first, or not the first, the biggest HPU unit here ever in Rexroth Indonesia. How was the journey for you so far?
Yeah, today is a great day because we've done the FAT test very smoothly, starting from the meeting with the customer and then spec together with the customer. We didn't find any problem during the FAT. We get many feedback from the customer.
Today is just only one milestone. The next milestone will be on the site, yes, together with you on the customer side. Yeah? And I feel also when you going the journey with us, there's a lot of, let's say, dialogues. We have a lot of conversation. What are the highlights that you will appreciate most during our conversations?
Yeah, I think determination of Rexroth team to get close with us is very important because we are a very small team and many of us actually we is struggling to arrange the time that Rexroth is following up with us to remind us. I think this is a good point.
We have our cooperation since 2018.
Yes, correct.
Right?
2018.
And global and especially also Komatsu is one of our very important customer.
Yes.
Yeah. We always looking for feedback. Yeah. So if you would give us a rate from 0, very poor, 10, outstanding, where would you rate us?
We definitely give an 8 here because we want to have a space for Rexroth to expand or growth. Yeah.
Okay, that's fair because we also need to improve. I'm quite sure. If you look into this 8 and we have still a gap to get a 10, where are the potential area for improving for us?
So our lead time is very long. That's why we want to improve with our customer, and I think Rexroth we can work together to improve that by working together.
I think the main crucial point is really having conversation.
Yes, correct.
Transparency, and I think the dialogue.
Yes.
I see that we are really now moving forward and progressing. Yeah?
Yes.
I really appreciate your time and thank you for giving us the feedback.
Thank you.
Bye, Juli. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. There you have it. Another satisfied customer. Bye, Juli. Thank you for your time.
Welcome.
Komatsu Mining Corporation. Together we move, you win.